Introducing HydroMech Top, new hydraulic charging unit that embodies 25 years experience of DHM Group in the field of mechanical engineering for the iron and steel industry. The most advanced design solutions made HydroMech Top flexible to manage and safe for maintenance and repair. Due to the unique compact design, HydroMech Top fits into all existing dimensions of the blast furnace top structure without changing the angle of the skip bridge when replacing the existing bell-type top charger with the bell-less type system. This became possible by reducing the height of the chute distributor and sealing valves. Sealing valves can be either with silicon seals or metal-to-metal, which allows working on non-cooled burden materials. The key element of the hydraulic charging unit is a chute distributor. Its unique design implements all modern requirements for the process of blast furnace charging. The chute tilting is performed by a hydraulic plunger cylinder through a system of differential and planet gear speed reducers, slewing rings and levers. Chute rotation is provided by electric motor with an incremental encoder through a differential gearbox and slewing rings. The reliability of the control system is ensured by duplication of all chute position controlling sensors. In order to reduce pressure on the slewing rings, the tilt system has planetary gearboxes with a high gear ratio. HydroMech Top charging unit provides the widest range of chute tilt angle and rotation speed. The chute tilt angle reaches from 0 to 53 degrees. Tilt speed is from half a degree to 1.5 degrees per second, with the possibility of programming the tilting step. HydroMech Top can have up to 11 stations of the chute tilt angle, which allows directional charge loading into a desired point of furnace of any diameter, including exactly to the center. Charging patterns. Ring and multi-ring charging. Spiral charging. Sector charging. Point charging. Direct loading to the center of the furnace is realized with the regional suspension of the chute that allows forming an axial vent in a wide range. The design of the chute and axial opening of the distributor is made in such a way that allows the chute to freely pass through the common central hatch of the distributor charge path in a vertical position. This allows the chute to be replaced safely and in a short time, the same for both single hooper and double hooper modification of the HydroMech Top charging unit. Chute lifetime is provided for the term from 12 to 18 months of continuous operations. The general service life of the charging unit is more than 10 years until capital repair. The new hydraulic charging unit HydroMech Top, made by DHM Group, meets all modern requirements for the technical and technological capabilities of furnace charging.